We are pleased to show you the 2008 CTS. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, driver illuminated vanity mirror, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance. Inside you'll find keyless entry, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, premium sound system, navigation from telematics, MP3 player, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.